morning, friends and family. How y'all doing today? Good morning. Yes, it's another episode on Surrego that is sponsored by Goldminearoma. Guys, I never knew I've not introduced EGUSI on this show, but today, don't worry, I got you. So we are going to do EGUSI, that is melon soup. So this is EGUSI my way. So I go for peel whole one, so I wash it and blend. So guys, let me quickly introduce you to my recipe. I have orishi here. I have meat. You can use any of your protein. I have my protein there. I have beef, I have gizzard, I have tendon, I have beef shanks, I have different kinds of assorted meat, I have fish, and I have my shrimps. I have my red bell and habanero and onion. That's basic for EGUSI. Yes, I have kale. You could use a spinach. You could use a ugu, which is ugu is pumpkin leaf. Yes, you can use the ugu. You can use spinach. Any of the vegetables you're most comfortable with. Uziza leaves, wonderful. So this is my kale because I love kale because of its crunchiness. So this is my kale. This is my iru, which is locust beans. And I have red oil. Oh, I have one more thing to introduce to you. My seasoning. Yes, guys, of course. I'm going to pick it. I won't forget my goldminearoma soup mix. Alright, guys, so let's get going. To blend the pepper mix first. And pour the red oil in the pot. Fry it a little. Don't let it bleach all the way. So guys, let's go and start making it. Yes, 7.5 ml. This is the final stage where we gotta glaze it with my crunchy kale. Yes, guys, the EGUSI is ready. Can you see? Can you view it? Can you? Yes, you can download and have a taste of it. Yes, guys. Oh, this is Surrego EGUSI soup. So what I want to do now is to use my garden egg fufu to eat it. Then you can have a binding agent for your garden egg fufu, as it is, right? My own binding agent is Xylem Husk. Yes, gelatin is another good binding agent for food. Yes, this is the garden egg plant. They actually look alike. I gotta eat it with my favorite swallow, which is eggplant fufu. Just like I just made it now. Didn't it just look exactly like amala, but lighter and healthier? Guys, try it and let me know how it feels. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. see you in another video. Always subscribe, like, share, and please put on your notification button so that anytime we upload new video, you will always be notified. Thank you for your support and love. We love you. Bye.